Hi class, this video is going to review the syllabus for consumer education. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your Edmodo account and you're going to open up your consumer education class. So I'm going to go to my home menu. I'm going to open up consumer education. Yours will be either 4th or 5th period. And I posted the syllabus link. So you're going to see a post for 817 and 818, review syllabus, and then here is the syllabus. So we're going to click on that to open it up. We don't need to edit it right now. We're just going through the syllabus, so I would like you to open it up and just read along as we go through. And I'll get started. Okay, so this is the syllabus for consumer education. This class is a required class for graduation. It gives students a consistent framework for thinking through financial choices in order to improve their well-being. Decisions require action. Students who take charge of their finances are being prepared to invest in themselves and cope with the financial ups and downs that life will bring. An activity and project-based approach will be used, and this course meets the requirements for consumer education instruction as required by the School Code of Illinois. Okay. Now, here are our objectives for this course. Upon successful completion of this course, students will learn your personal goals and values are the foundation of personal finance. Invest in yourself, and that is referred to as human capital. There's an ongoing association between your present self and your future self. The value of money changes over time. Compound interest makes savings work for you and borrowing work against you. Opportunity costs and trade-offs are inherent in every decision you make. Risk and return are inherent in financial investing. You need to take steps to protect yourself from the unexpected, fraud, insurance, etc. And what you look like on paper, you need to know that. Your credit report, your spending plan, okay, are some examples. Required class materials. You will need a writing utensil occasionally, but most of your work is done on your Chromebook. You will be doing pretty much all of your assignments. There's a few here and there will be done electronically using your Chromebook, and you will be using a program called Cami, which you will learn about shortly. And you can edit PDFs and write on those, and that's what you will turn in for your assignments. Okay. There is not a text. I will supply all the class materials. Most of it is electronic. All right, now I'm not going to read all these individual bullet points, but I will go over the units for the course outline. Unit 1, take charge of your financial well-being. Unit 2, managing your money. Unit 3, is the earning unit. Unit 4 is the receiving unit. Unit 5 is the saving and investing unit. Unit 6 is the spending unit. And then the course assessment and final exam is at the end. I hope you're going to find this information really, excuse me, really helpful especially when you get out into the real world. You're going to need to know all of this. So hopefully you will learn a lot. Here are some of the major assignments. In Unit 1, your assessment. I don't always do traditional assessments, tests. I like to do different projects along with those. So the Unit 1 assessment is called the Collage of My Life. Unit 2 assessment is My Money Management. Unit 3 assessment is called the Career Path Interview. Unit 4 assessment is the Perez Family Case Study. Unit 5 assessment is It's My Life project. And then Unit 6 assessment is Purchasing an Automobile. That's a fun one. You get to pick a car that you want to buy, and you need to research it, the insurance, the loan information, and then finally you will have a final exam. Okay. Grading. Every assignment is going to be worth a point. It's going to be given a point value, so all points are equal in value, but some assignments are going to be worth more than others. So for example, one assignment might be worth 20 points, but maybe the assessment is worth 100 points. At the end of the semester, there is an exam covering all material from the 2 quarters. Quarter 1 is worth 45% of your grade, quarter 2 is 45% of your grade, and then your exam is 10%. Okay, let's go over our classroom policies and procedures. Homework and late policy. You're gonna be given homework periodically, probably at least a couple days a week. Unless noted, for longer projects, your homework is always going to be due the next class period. Excused absences will be allowed to turn in homework and take tests up to 1 day for every day you've missed, and that's a school policy. You may not receive credit or make up for the work for the assignment and or test if the absence is unexcused. I do not accept late work, so if you don't turn it in on time, you get a 0. Please make arrangements for prolonged absences with your teacher. All right, absence policy. All daily assignments are posted in the student's Edmodo account. When a student is absent, it is their responsibility to check Edmodo. I'm not going to be chasing you around telling you you have an assignment due. You can see what's posted on Edmodo. And then you need to turn those in by the next class period. If you miss a quiz or test, it's also your responsibility to make arrangements with the teacher to make this up. Okay, tardy policy. Students are expected to be in class when the bell rings. You will be issued a tardy if you're in the hall after the bell rings. Discipline. You're expected to act in an acceptable manner at all times. If any student is incapable of acting in a manner that's acceptable, the following disciplinary actions will be taken. I will give 1 warning, except for tardies, there's no warnings. Second offense is a teacher detention before school for 15 minutes and call home. And then third offense is office. Okay, class rules. Number 1, respect yourself and others. This includes raising your hand when you would like to speak and giving full attention to your classmates and me. Number 2, understand the importance of personal space. Your classmates will stay out of yours if you stay out of theirs. Number 3, help maintain a productive classroom atmosphere. Stay in your seats while I am teaching. Ask if you need to get up to get a Kleenex. Bathroom breaks are only given for emergencies. Please take your bathroom breaks before coming to class. And then number 4, come ready to participate. Class is much more fun and interesting when all students are eager to learn. And then we have some miscellaneous items here on the last page. Academic integrity. Cheating. It's a serious offense and I do not tolerate it. Cheating of any type, including copying another student's homework, sharing test answers, or plagiarizing writing in whole or in part, will result in a 0 grade for both the cheater and the cheatee. And then I give my instructor contact, email. I'm available before school between 7:30 and 7:55 for questions, and then my phone number. All right, then underneath here, and I'd like you to keep the syllabus for reference. It will be saved in your Google Drive, so you'll have access to that. Here is the signature page, and I will be posting another video explaining to you how you're going to open this up in Kami and edit it, but you're going to sign this electronically using your Chromebook, using the Kami app, or actually it's a Chrome extension. So you're going to sign your name, or you're going to print your name, you're going to sign your name, you're going to have your parent or guardian sign it, and you're going to write the date. And then that will be turned into Google Classroom, just like any other assignment. If you have any questions, please let me know.